We all grow up looking for somebody to believe in. For me, it was my father. He was my hero. The day after my 12th birthday, I found out my father killed people for a living. When I saw my father shot dead outside of our house, I remember thinking, he probably deserved it.
He left the mean streets
Joey!
for a distant war. Until one wrong move
You assault an MP and you steal the colonel's Jeep. Now, you want to be a good citizen, help us out here?
What exactly do you want me to do?
put him back in the family business.
You gotta wear a wire.
They're friends and family.
Friends and family.
Joey has to meet Reggio, and you gotta get yourself invited.
So we're taking the meat, we're committing suicide.
You should take the meat.
So let's talk business.
Hey, one thing, I don't work with someone like that.
You have a problem? We'll fix it.
Pick Joey up, get him off the streets. I'll guarantee you Reggio.
Are you a rat, Tommy? Because I'm holding a wire in my hand, and I want to know what you're doing in your drawer.
I want out.
No, it's too late for that.
Deal's off.
I'm in that alley, Tommy.
Talk to me. Just tell me where you are.
They wanted me to set you up.
Vincent!